You have built decades of memories in your home, and you know that you need to make a transition. You know you need to make a move, but you're feeling just a little, maybe not even a little, a lot overwhelmed. You're looking around at your home and you say, how can I pack up decades of memories and things? How do I even get started? And you just stop and you think, I can't do this. Well, I'm here to tell you that there are resources available and you can. And I'd love to share with you just three simple ways that you can get started to help you on the process of where actually you want to be or need to be at this point in your life instead of where you are currently because of the fear that is just stopping you in your tracks. Hi there, I am Melissa Shaw, and I am a real estate professional that have helped so many clients of mine navigate this process of being stuck in place, of not knowing or not being able to make that first step and work through the process of moving into their next chapter in life. And today I'm excited to just bring it really simple and clear for you of just a way to get started because I understand that it isn't just about moving. Moving is not just physical, it is mental. And it can at times be really, really emotional because of the memories that you have created in your home. You may have raised children. You have raised your kids in there, had their grandkids over. Maybe you've cared for an elderly parent. Maybe you've seen a spouse pass. Maybe you've suffered an illness, but now is the time for you to clear space and truly get into your next chapter so you can live your best life. So here we go. Here are those three things. Just start small. Just start because the encouragement and the confidence and the satisfaction that you will get from just starting will be contagious. It will start momentum. And just making that decision will help you make decisions moving forward in the process that much simpler. So just start with one drawer, one closet, one bedroom. Just think one thing, one space, and start there. And then move on to the next thing. And before you know it, you're creating momentum to where over time you will be able to see the progress and you will be to where you want to be. The second thing that you can do to get started is to ask yourself two simple questions. If I was to buy this item today, would I want it? And number two, do I need this item where I'm going? Those two simple qualifying questions will really help you decide whether it should go to the donate pile, the keep pile, or the trash pile. And the third thing that this leads to is create a bless and release box. So what I mean by that is if you're having a hard time mentally or emotionally getting rid of an item because for whatever reason it either has an attachment, an emotional attachment, or you really just don't have any use for it, I would encourage you to search for the why on why you're keeping it and then let yourself feel whatever it is that you need to feel or want to feel, or let your body experience whatever it is it needs to, and let it go. Place it in that bless and release box. So if you're still having a hard time or you just need resources, because there are resources available. I've got connections to estate planners that actually help in a very humble way and sensitive way that can help you through this process, help you stage your home. There's so many resources available to you that you also might not just be aware of yet. So just click the link below. I would love the opportunity to guide you through this process, make it less stressful, less overwhelming, and really get you to where you really need to be in your next chapter of life.